Coming back to CapCut, let me show you how you can blur selected areas in your videos manually. It's a little bit different from the last two videos that I've made. Let's just say we have something like this here, a simple speech, and I want to blur the two guys in the background, or at least their faces. We'll start out the same way. We can right click and copy then paste, or we just press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. We have the same clip 2 times now here. I have the top one selected, go to Effects, Video Effects, Lens, and there you should find a blur that's freely available. Drag and drop it on the top clip. You can see it's fully blurred now. Deselect it, then select the clip again. And now we can go to Video, and by the way, I have the default layout active. Go to Video and then right here to Mask. Afterwards, we'll pick a circle. In this case, that's fine, but you have other shapes as you can see. Just reposition it, left click drag and size it a little bit down. You can feather it out, but if you go too far the face becomes visible again, so we don't want that. Now let me roll the clip and you can see the first face is blurred. If that's all that you want to do, you're good here. If you want to blur a second area in the same clip, there are a couple of ways to do this. I think the easiest is to just copy paste the top clip yet again. So make sure it's selected in the timeline, then Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. You now have 3 clips and the copied one, so the one on top, should already be blurred, so it should have this blur effect. And you can just drag the mask or circle to the second face, and that should do the job. If you have multiple areas and you want to clean up your entire timeline here, you can just select all of the ones that have this blur effect and then create a compound clip. So select them, left click drag, right click, create compound clip, and then they're all grouped in one element here in the timeline. But this is the process that you can use to blur selected areas manually in your clips. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.